Hello, today I'm going to show you a really easy and simple way to make some beautiful Christmas ornaments, whether you want to give them as gifts or whether you're trying to sell some extra stuff before Christmas. This is a perfect way to do that. It's very fast. It doesn't take a lot of time to mix this up and pour it in. You just let it set overnight because we're using epoxy resin. So first I've got 8.5 ounces of epoxy resin, which mine is mixed part A and B, equal parts, just, mixtures the way yours label says to. And then I put some white glitter, just regular glitter into it, a lot of it. And then I put some green and blue and pink glitter flakes in there. And as you can see, I'm putting a lot of each of those because that's a lot of resin. And I want it to be, it's going to be a little bit chunky, but it's going to make the ornaments we're making really beautiful. This is super easy, so it's beginner friendly. So if you're just now starting with resin, this is a great way to start. And when I've used these molds, it's turning great every time. Like, they make such beautiful ornaments. So one of my viewers wanted to make another type of ornament. We've already used these molds once, so this is another idea to use for these. So we're literally just making this with glitter flakes and glitter. And you can see how much I'm putting in there. But it's going to give these such a beautiful shine in the end. I love how they turned out. This same mixture, I mixed up a whole nother 8.5 ounces cup. You can kind of see it in the background a little bit. But I did 2 other projects using this, and they all turned out so beautiful. So now we're going to pour these directly into the middle of the mold. This package comes with 4 different snowflake molds, so you can make 4 at a time. I'll put the link in my description. They're from Amazon, and you can get them from there. Anything else I use in this video is always linked in the description as well. So what I do is I have a jumbo popsicle stick, and that's how I mix my resin up. I just take it, pour it in the middle, and then work it into the edges. That's just the easiest way I've found to do it so that it doesn't make a mess and it's not getting everywhere. You can see how little mess it's making. You can just very gently move it to the edges and keep on pouring a little bit more into the middle until you have it completely even with the mold. You don't want it to be overfilled or underfilled. You want it to be completely even. And you can already tell how pretty and shiny it's going to be. This is a very simple ornament to make, and I'll show you at the end how pretty they turn out. So take your toothpick and very carefully make sure there's resin all around that circle. That's where your hook will go. You don't want there to be any holes or gaps in that because that's how you're going to hang the ornament. So I always just make sure the resin's gotten all around that really well. Make sure none of your glitter flakes are sticking up because they get really sharp. Make sure there's none laying on the mold. And then let that set overnight because it's epoxy resin. Come back the next day and take it out of the mold. And look, you can already see how pretty and shiny it's going to be. I love glitter flakes because they just make such a pretty shine in the sunshine. Look how pretty. And then the camera doesn't even really do it justice. And I'm going to try to put it against my white wall so you can kind of see it a little better. But look how beautiful that is. It's so pretty. This will be pretty with like some of the people who like white and lighter decorations. And then I put my hooks on it. So this is it hanging from a hook. You can do any type of hook you want. If you like these, please like and subscribe. This was a really quick video, but I have a lot of Christmas and videos on my channel.